one of the friends to take a shit, and while he was doing that, he hears two guys enter, and he looks down. It's the group tying his arm and shooting heroin.
So he gave him like 20,000 and he was like 20,000 too less. There were 5 people, so he was saying 75 each. The bride comes out. This girl was like, what sort of a cheap behavior is this? I'm not coming. You don't be this cheap, you pay up.
It was huge, the hall. So
Yeah.
you should ideally not do fireworks. This person is someone who literally ऐसे बिपाशा को जाके बोला तू नाच और वो नाची. This person must have arm twisted them into allowing fireworks. जब वो bridal entry हो रही थी, वो रथ पे आ रही थी और साइड में से fireworks हो रहे थे. पीछे कथक डांसर्स थे. और तब जाकर वो fireworks सीधा गिरी 2 लड़कियों की स्कर्ट से. Hello guys, welcome to another podcast. I am Arushi.
And I'm Sidika. And today we guys are talking about Shadi season. The big fat Indian wedding and all the fat Indian weddings we have attended.
So हम लोग एक संगीत पे जाने वाले थे, तो उससे पहले we were like चलो let's talk about it. Or grab your chai or coffee का cup and let's get into today's gossip.
Indians every year, I feel like they outdo themselves when it comes to the wedding season. And अभी मैंने अंबानी भाई की शादी ऐसे देखी जैसे जॉनी डेप का ट्रायल देख रही थी. Like I was like glued.
Wow. यहाँ एक जगह बन रहे थे 2 रिश्ते, एक जगह टूट रही थी.
The annual event दोनों जगह हो रहा था. A lot of पैसा was involved.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh damn. It's like that Venn diagram of like beach mein is like one bride and groom involved basically.
Yeah.
Other things of course
Are variable.
one boy girl involved.
So I actually have to say one thing. I had sent a random joke to her and I was like, yaar, because a lot of so I was like, yaar, मुझे पता है ऐसा लग रहा है everyone has been involved in the Ambani wedding. All the influencers, every rando has been involved. We haven't only got an invite. Cut to this woman sends me a message. I got an invite. Yeah, she forwards me that message.
Listen, it was for some jhatu event, okay, after the wedding. Not for the Ambani wedding, please.
Yeah.
Sub invited थे. I was not special.
सब नहीं invited.
The amount of flack I got, the amount of shade I got from this one, just because she's like, तो हमारी शादी में क्यों नहीं गई?
Bro,
Listen, वो एक तो वो शादी के लिए नहीं था, वो कुछ और था, वो नहीं हो सकता यार.
A.R. Rahman was singing.
I have seen him live.
So you would have seen him up close and personal. What the fuck, woman?
वो मुझे क्या स्टेज पे आके गवाता थोड़ी ना.
Lana Del Rey नहीं. What was Adele was in that wedding?
Listen, to be fair, I have been to a very very अमीर शादी and उसमें सुखबीर था, ठीक है. And I was मेरा जो millennial बच्चा का soul जो खुश हुआ ना वो देख के, भाई मतलब मेरा हो गया. I'm done with rich weddings after going for that.
We will get to that, but I just want you guys to comment. You think a ticket for attending Ambani's wedding would be going higher or Coldplay tickets?
Oh man.
That
How many people have we offended today?
black market का rate बताओ guys. So please tell me, talking about that, which expensive wedding did you go to?
अच्छा, तो हम लोग जब शादियां करते हैं, especially like North Indian weddings,
Yeah.
which is our favorite song, which is our favorite artist? Come on.
मुझे
you
कोई
know
इनवाइट
it.
नहीं करता, पता
Oh,
मैं
shut
तभी इतनी दुखी हुई थी. तू मजाक ले रही है, मैं सच बोल रही हूँ. I'm actually upset. No one invites me. If it wasn't for Neeraj, I won't be attending weddings.
You are who I aspire to be, okay? I don't want friends and I don't want to go for social gathering.
This woman has been saying for so many podcasts, we can have her like at least 4 or 5 times. I have only 2 friends. Cut to, I have been invited to so many.
Oh dear.
प्रोडक्शन वालों को ना ऐसे मारो यहाँ पे पकड़ के.
The answer was oh. सुखबीर वाला. That's always there.
I did not know सुखबीर ने खाया था, मुझे लगा दिलेर मेहंदी है.
Oh my god. हमारा जो millennial soul था ना, soul है I mean, especially during North Indian weddings, it only gets satisfied when it hears सुखबीर always, okay? So जब तक वो बचता नहीं है, तो हमको ऐसे मतलब एहसास ही फील ही नहीं आती वेडिंग की जब तक ओहो हो नहीं होता है.
ओहो.
Yeah. And then in this wedding that I went to is a good friend only.
Yeah.
But like so filthy fucking stinky rich. This person had Sukhbir at the wedding. And he was not even the highlight. He was just a rando performer
Oh my.
at this wedding. मतलब
Random means
Yeah.
who was like the main
Haldi
artist?
Mehndi type. Sachin Jigar.
Oh wow.
Yeah, like whole of Bollywood, like you know, Bipasha, Ilyana, ये वो नाचने आए थे यार ये लोग.
Oh
in
my.
that wedding, and it was super, like the wedding was beautiful. I won't even deny that. It was amazing.
Well, if they're getting
Yeah.
them to sing, I'm pretty sure the production value was there.
Oh, it was great. I mean, it wasn't like those मतलब just ostentatious agag weddings जिसमें ना
हाँ.
अंदर कुछ substance नहीं होता, ऐसा
हाँ,
नहीं
हाँ.
था. बहुत gorgeous, बहुत fun wedding था.
And how was the
Definitely.
food?
Holy shit, the food. It was vegetarian, the food.
Oh.
But
But.
I did not miss non-veg food.
Oh, wow.
And you know how much I love meat proteins.
Yeah. This is one
Yeah.
joke I say to my friends, right? I'm like, जब तक मुर्गा नहीं कटेगा खाना नहीं पचेगा. So problematic, but I really love the chicken protein.
Yeah, protein. Good for you. Come on. You've heard of that of truffle, na? Truffle, that mushroom.
Yeah.
जिसमें जिसको ऐसे मतलब
$1000 डॉलर का
एक वो करके थोड़ा सा
एक लीफलेट उसका.
या उसका पिज्जा था.
Oh nah.
Truffle pizza. Yeah. It was that.
So fancy.
Yeah, and there was क्या बोलते Blue Label.
Like that was the lowest, you mean?
Yeah.
That was the starting.
Yeah. There was Royal Salute and stuff. वो whiskey तो मैंने dilute करे बिना पी है, ठीक है? I'm like, क्या चढ़ जाए कोई बात नहीं, लग जाए मुझे ऐसे उसमें epiglottis में जाके, but I don't care. I'm having this shit neat.
Oh my, fancy.
Oh man, it was really nice. There was some weird shit also that happened apparently. Like, so when the bride she was entering, so एक तो वो indoor hall था, ठीक है? It was huge, the hall, okay, but it was indoors, so you should ideally not do fireworks inside, right? Like,
fair enough. Yeah.
Don't common sense.
It's a शादी से पहले you don't want both the couple to be like run with
but
types.
then this person is someone who can literally throw money at like anyone, and things can happen, okay. So literally, यार उसने literally ऐसे बिपाशा को जाके बोला तू नाच, और वो नाची literally. So it is that, okay.
Lovely.
सलमान हमारे साथ हनीमून में आ रहे हैं.
So this person obviously must have kind of arm twisted them into allowing fireworks to happen indoors.
हाँ.
So जब वो एक ब्राइडल एंट्री हो रही थी, तो वो रथ पे आ रही थी और साइड साइड में से फायरवर्क्स हो रहे थे, एंड पीछे कथक डांसर्स थे, ठीक है? या and while that's Bharatnatyam, by the way, but
मैंने यही सीखा था बचपन में.
So I'm saying, so the dancers have this whole thing, right? This ghera while they're dancing in their lehengas. So of course these girls were बेचारी ऐसे ऐसे घूम रही थी, and तब जाकर वो fireworks सीधा गिरी दो लड़कियों के skirts में, दो लहंगों.
Oh my lord. Oh my god.
Yeah, and basically there were these two poor women with like holes in their lehengas while dancing. And while the bridal entry is happening, and while the bridal entry was happening in this hydraulic kind of rath, ऊपर से ऐसे मालाएं आ रही थी from a drone, like
oh nice.
Yeah, that was happening. So you could see that these people are obscenely wealthy.
Yeah.
But and you could see where they have arm twisted these people to like bend rules. But हाँ मतलब ऐसा था तो बड़ा मजेदार शादी.
So like the most expensive wedding that I had attended was in Udaipur. These guys had like booked an entire castle over there, right? And वहाँ पे their entry, oh my lord. So मतलब yeah भाई, it's just lovely when you see people who are just spending their money in insane ways. So like you mentioned the drones. So the bride and groom had to do Varmala, right? So basically the groom side was staying in the Raja Mahal and the bride side was staying in the Rani Mahal, and then beach mein was where they were having all of the festivities that had to be the courtyard. So when they had to do the Varmala, they were entering, so they were like hidden somewhere in a like a podium niche, and then एक ना lotus खुला and उसके अंदर ना वो rotate होते हुए ऊपर आ रहे थे और लाइटें अलग से उनके ऊपर 50 थी. Literally it was like they were changing colors. ठीक है, फ्लोर से लोग ऊपर से फूल फेंक रहे थे, दूसरी तरफ से लाइक अलग अलग टाइप के लाइक ब्यूटीफुल रोजेस, यू कुड स्मेल इट वाज आई मीन fresh flower smells better than perfume, okay? And the obscene amount that was there, and the drones से भी ऊपर जा रहा था, drones के shot हो रहे थे, and I was like ये चल क्या रहा है, अभी ये वरमाला हो रही है, and वो घूमे जा रहे and it was insane, man. And I saw that, I was like भाई ये क्या चल रहा है, and it was not even like these guys had like 5,000 people. They were just like okay fine, it was like a humble 500. Small, he's
peasants.
small wedding.
Yeah.
But like the level, or and when people were even eating and stuff, like the people were like dressed ऐसे गोल की थालियों में खाना serve किया जा रहा है. Yeah, and
Listen,
everyone.
I am already sold on the flowers. Okay?
Yeah.
Like fresh flowers are so expensive.
And it was
Yeah.
like in the kilos, in the triple digits of kilos, because I don't think so 10 किलो 20 किलो थे, कम से कम 200-300 किलो तो जा रहे थे, because वो
Oh
almost
my God.
5-10 मिनट तक, मतलब the floor आगे पीछे everywhere, when they even had their like pheras, right? So when they even had their pheras, like you could see the flowers is like, you know, from the wind, it touched every corner of that castle, like इतने फूल. I mean,
Yeah, that
pool
that
wala-
for me is the ultimate peak richness.
Yeah.
Fresh flowers.
yeah, yeah.
So many.
They saved on the
Yeah.
plates and spent on the flowers.
Yeah. Oh my God. You know, I was already like, you had me at flowers.
Yeah.
Because flowers are hella expensive. Because like in my wedding, which was lavish enough for itself. Oh, those you know, those mechanical flower throwing
हाँ.
machine thingies
Yeah.
जिसमें petals ऐसे गिरते हैं.
Oh, lovely.
मुझे वही देख के लग रहा था यार तुम लोगों ने ज्यादा ही खर्चा कर दिया हम पे. What, we don't deserve this. Like literally, because I'm like, listen, my logic was always like, you know, we want to start a new life, we
Yeah.
give money to us,
Yeah, yeah.
we
So,
want that money.
Yeah.
Don't throw it on people
That's
who
saying
don't
na-
deserve to eat this amazing food. Like, you know, like people, half of them I don't even like want them.
wait, pause.
Yeah.
People who want to eat the spread are shameless, and they come even if they've not been casually invited. Okay.
Oh, are you talking about crashers?
I'm not talking about crashes as the worst part. Crashes at least have like, I have had situations in my college days where I've crashed. So हम लोग कुछ भी कपड़े पहन के कॉलेज से आ जाते थे, and then we go have a गोल गप्पा, this and that, chup 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 chup, and then we leave. Okay, that's crashing. Not like people I know dress up and have plays. Like, please don't do that. It's chargeable.
Okay.
But this guy, oh my god. So I had gone for a relative's wedding in Dubai. And again, this person is very, very, very well to do. So he also, his daughter married the sheikh. Ritz के अंदर शादी हुई, and I think Palm Jumeirah के अंदर he was having the reception. We had gone for the reception. So now my father and I had gone to meet a friend, random person that he barely talks to in years. ठीक है, and they were like, आप दुबई आए हो, please आके मिलो. 3-4 बार आ गए हो, कभी नहीं मिले. चलो ठीक है, we guys went over there. This boy has 2 sons. Okay. And one of the sons had taken to an offensive level of distasteful hitting on me.
Oh dear.
Okay, like बंदे को शर्म नहीं है, like get a hint, like fuck off Jack, like what is your issue? Okay, this beanstalk is not interested.
Oh my God.
Like stop trying to climb it.
Oh my God.
So this guy was like being annoying. Like my father also got annoyed, and
Hmm.
because my father at that point, like you talk to my dad, you meet him, he's like very chill, he's like very mazakiya,
Hmm.
right? So let's say if I say कि अरे भाई, with a very nice place, this and that, शादी तो देखनी चाहिए तुम्हें, आ जाओ कभी आना, this and that. Casual invite, politely, or at someone's house given, politely decline, हाँ sure. ठीक है? This guy, mind you, I met him for the very first fucking time in my entire life, okay? I won't even remember his name. This guy was like, ठीक है, cool, this and that. And then after that, you know, your daughter and I can also get married. I was like, are you fucking out of your banana peels? Where are your brain
Straight
cells?
up.
Straight up, that guy is...
Like, at least take me to dinner first.
No. He's like, what wasting time, yeah. We'll feed the guests dinners. We'll have dinner after that. We'll call it Rajbhog. What's up?
मुझे इतना entitlement चाहिए. मुझे चाहिए बस. I want.
So it gets worse, honey. We
Of
have
course.
just started. This
That's
is
the
the
name of the
background.
game. It
This is the
gets worse.
background. Yeah. My toxic stories have levels.
Yeah.
So my dad and I like, we're going, and now again, you know, these places don't have like 15, 20 things going on at the same time, especially with certain names. It's like very exclusive. This guy, shameless motherfucker, he actually came at 7 o'clock to the venue. And over here, me and my cousins are having a great time. We are enjoying ourselves, this and that. I'm like meeting people. I know they're judging me. They're like, "Garib Chanel ka bag bhi nahi lai." But uske andar na, like everyone's actually very, like family is loving. It's like a very great vibe. Everyone's happy. This rando dude comes and he's like, la 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 la, let's dance, let's talk, let's do this and that. And my bua looks at me and she's like, bro, ये तुम्हारा friend यहाँ पर आ गया. Now again she had attended a Ritz thing and उसके अंदर like everyone had a plate, a name card, and you're
Yeah.
not, no one's allowed. Okay.
Yeah.
She was like, I know he's having like starters and all, but I don't think so he can be here for dinner. I'm like, he's not my friend. Please, bua. और I, ये
But did
ऐसे
he come
लल्लू.
as your friend?
Apparently he was trying to chipko five with me and he's young. What would everyone think?
Unconsensual wedding date.
Oh my god. And
मतलब-
I was running away from him like the plague, bro. I wasn't even wanting to be sitting next to him or standing next to him. वो चे पे जा रहा था. मैंने कहा पापा ये आपकी वजह से आया. आपने casually ऐसा मजाक में बोल दिया. He took it seriously. Entertain him. I don't know.
This is horrifying.
It-
Dude, what the hell? This is full on stalking, bro.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah, and he went, he was eating, he was dancing like he's one of the main guests, shamelessly getting photos clicked with everyone. I don't even know what the fuck he was doing. Why?
Oh,
like,
dear.
it's like you have to be on some level of hallucinogenics to be like, हाँ इतना invite लेके आगे इतना mingle कर लिया
Oh,
भाई.
man.
इतना तो मैंने भी mingle नहीं किया.
Oh, we had someone like that.
हाँ.
Yeah, we don't even know who he is. And he's in like most of our Sangeet photos. We don't know who that is. And so like pally and all, like me and Kushanu like drunk. We had no idea. We were like, हाँ पता नहीं कौन है, कल पता चलेगा. We were like that कि हाँ होगा. And you know, usually in these situations, you don't say anything to that
Yeah.
person because the girl side thinks boy side से है, boy side thinks girl side से है.
Yeah.
So you just give that benefit of doubt because you don't want to offend
Yeah,
anyone.
yeah.
But we had no idea who that was. And
God.
both me and I asked Krishanu, who is this? She's I don't know. I thought he's from your
Your
side.
side, हाँ.
And at least we communicated that.
Yeah,
And then we were like, हाँ होगा कोई mom dad के दोस्त का बेटा type. And we have till late we don't know who that guy is. And
God,
apparently
man.
he took like my friends' numbers and stuff apparently.
Oh my
I'm
god,
like,
I don't
"Huh?"
know. I don't know what Jack did, man, at the end of the day, but I was so cringed out. So he was really trying to hold my hand, and I told my father I don't want to dance with him. Like literally, if you and I are dancing, मैं जबरदस्ती तेरा हाथ पकड़. He was literally जबरदस्ती हाथ पकड़ने की कोशिश. So then after that, my cousin started making fun of him. He was like, you got sweaty, soft hands. You have the softest hands than any other girl I've ever touched, and also sweaty for lubrication. That creeped him out, and then he moved away. My
Nice.
cousin literally had to,
Nice.
like gaydar him away.
Oh my god. I love it.
Yeah.
Damn it, man.
But I can't
So
believe like it's so
amazing, हाँ.
common कि तुम्हारी भी शादी में हर जगह there is this one little person. Why? Like तुम खाना आके खा लो यार.
Yeah.
तुम चेप होके
I know,
photos
that's
में
worse. I
क्यों?
would respect you if you
Yeah.
come for the food and just like,
Leave.
kato.
Yeah.
But yeah, मतलब तुम so friendly और ये लोग मुझसे hi.
You're ruining the photos. You're a mystery man. We're going to
Yeah.
play Where's Waldo with you?
Exactly.
Who's Waldo?
Yeah, I know, right? And even my mom-in-law is thinking, wondering ये कौन है? My mom also is like कौन है?
Yeah.
We, like all 6 of us,
Yeah.
both sets of parents and both of us like thinking ये कौन है भाई?
हाँ.
अभी आज तक हमको नहीं पता. 6 साल हो गए हमारी शादी को.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Literally.
I had no idea.
But yeah, by the way,
Hmm.
have you ever been to a wedding which got called off?
But I'm not invited to enough weddings. That's why I started crying in the
Mhm.
beginning. But no, please tell me.
So this wedding I went to,
हाँ.
so it was very sketchy to begin with, okay?
Hmm.
Like you could see that, बहुत ही जबरदस्ती का इन दोनों को ऐसे, मिला रखा है.
कोई pregnant था क्या?
नहीं, I don't know. Ew. I don't think this is the family that would have accepted such a situation anyway.
Okay.
So this was a very very जोर का arranged for sure. वो लग रहा था. ठीक है, arranged in to the extent that I don't think the bride even knew the groom enough, and I'll tell you why.
Wow.
So yeah, so this is halfway through the wedding. This is around somewhere in the AM, midnight के post. तब ये क्या बोलते हैं, सगन संगीत, रिंग सेरेमनी वगैरह में तो सारा 12 बजे के बाद होता है ना, all the action.
Yeah.
So this is around midnight. So one of the friends goes to the loo and like locked in the cubicle, obviously. Like cubicle में गया, I guess to take a shit because otherwise you're in a urinal, right? So he was taking a shit, I'm guessing. And while he was doing that, he hears the bathroom lock.
Okay.
The main door of the bathroom, and 2 guys enter. And
पीटने आ रहे थे क्या?
Look, soon it's way worse or better. I don't know. While they're in the bathroom, he's hearing like really, like tick tick, strange noises. Okay, like weird sounds are happening. Like as if कुछ kitchen में चल रहा है ये वो. And he ऐसे करके थोड़ा सा नीचे से he's like भाई बहुत he's like curiosity का peak right now कि हो क्या रहा है. Okay, and he looks down and it's the groom and his friend, and he's tying his arm with a band and shooting heroin in the loo.
well, kitchen adjacent Breaking Bad तो चल ही रहा था.
Exactly. And this poor guy, because he can't flush, right? And he's just taken a dump. It's a fresh dump, and he had to like sit marinating in that smell because he's like, अगर मैं निकलूँ अभी तो मैं पिट जाऊँगा. He's like, I don't want to be stabbed with a heroin वाली syringe. मेरे को he's like नशे से ज़्यादा मुझे AIDS का डर है. Okay, at this point. And okay, so now like presence of mind of that guy. He धीरे से very stealthily takes a video
Oh,
of all of this happening.
Oh wow, with shit in his ass.
Yeah, the poor guy. Yeah, I'm like loyalty देखो यार, loyalty.
मेरी जितनी गंदगी है लेकिन मैं सबकी गंदगी खोलूंगा.
Yeah, like this. Yeah, true stand-up guy. Yes. So now he takes this video. He's waiting, and then he waited for the coast to be clear. इनका हो गया नशे वशे करके निकले. This is just before rings have to be exchanged. Okay, by the way. And he sits. उस बेचारे ने धो लिया होगा at by that time. And he goes straight to the bride's brother and says, bro, literally, like, bro, what the fuck?
Oh my god, yeah. Panic in the dance floor.
Yeah, like, I think this is like not
even on.
Yeah.
In.
I was like, okay, and then, so this happens, okay, and you can see, I swear to God, मेरे सामने ना ये सारा जो सीन है इसके बाद जो वो स्लो मोशन में हो रहा था, ठीक है? Okay, so the groom is like in a different planet at this point of time.
Yeah, he's in
Okay.
planet Pluto.
Yeah. He's standing on the stage waiting for her, and वो अजीब ही मतलब अलग ही ट्रिप पे है obviously. And मुझे उसको देख के पता भी नहीं चल रहा था कि हेरोइन का असर होता क्या है, क्योंकि ये कोहेरेंट नहीं है, मुझे जानना है for science.
For science, yeah. Insert YouTube video.
Yeah, I couldn't know. So anyway, so the bride comes along, and he is about to, like, she puts the ring on him.
Yeah.
And he reaches his pocket to find the ring. And the ring is missing. And it must be at least 4-5 lakhs, the ring.
Estimation.
Yeah, and it was gone.
Oh Lord.
And imagine, okay, like, and by this time everything, the story has been revealed. The chainmail has been set in motion.
Yeah, everyone has heard everything.
Yeah, it has happened, okay. So now while he's doing that shuffling, okay, there are like uncle aunties, like, you know, all of them are agitated. They are all like, you know, in battle position, all of them making human chain.
Oh God. And this was arranged marriage, right?
What? Of course.
Oh my Lord.
And then, like, thankfully the ring also got lost, so now they have like a way to have a public fight, because heroin पे तो public fight होना थोड़ा
मुश्किल है.
क्या मुश्किल है तो. So they had it, okay, बहुत मतलब ये हुआ, कलेश हुआ. Now the friend, मतलब he wasn't even in his senses to argue. The friend does. In order to, like, by this time, this is already way after everybody, most people have left by now. खाक होके सब निकल चुके हैं.
हाँ.
Now the friend, whoever बाकी मतलब रिश्तेदार ही थे वैसे बचे हुए. So, and of course, people like us who there for the drama.
Yeah. Here for the tea, guys.
Yeah, for the tea. Yeah. What the friend does is he blasts it on the projector, the video. So,
touche, boy, touche.
And then the groom's brother like ran to the क्या बोलते उसको DJ console, takes the mic and says,
बाबू गाना मत बजाओ.
Yeah, like unfortunately this wedding has been called off.
Wow, मतलब yeah, expected इतना तो. ballsy though. I have to say ballsy.
Loyal like AF friend.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like just blasting the video without any care, no face blurring, even nothing.
एंड
Oh, wow.
कुछ मिनटों के लिए लगा वो ऐसे वो वीडियो होता है ना जिसमें बचपन की फोटो ही दिखाते हैं
हाँ, हाँ,
हाउ
हाँ.
आर ग्रूम एंड आर यू नो आर प्रिंसेस एंड प्रिंस मेट
Yeah. The prince and the princess shot in the pot.
oh god it was and I was just like
Loving this hot tea.
best wedding attended ever so yeah that was the literal best cinema it was cinema okay that was what it was that wedding
My lord. I
Yeah.
don't think so have any Kaleshi story that could top that, man. I think we have reached peak cinematic, dramatic, climatic motions.
yeah see sometimes I feel like I was lucky to be in that rich friend's wedding no I was
Yeah.
lucky to be in this almost wedding
Almost
this
wedding.
one
Yeah.
this
Oh
is
god.
what yeah
Like imagine people are spending so much money and then they have like random ass fights. Like your fight or your situation that you just told. I love the drama, love the tea, love the goss. But like this is one wedding that I had attended, and over here it was legitimate. Like calling it off, losing all of that money, ठीक है जितना भी गया. So this wedding that I had gone to, these two were dating for like a few years, काफी प्यार था मोहब्बत ही जो भी था, and now they had their fairas and the juta chori thingy happened, right? And now the brother of the bride was asking for an obscene amount of money, matlab, but not really obscene amount of money considering that the wedding was that lavish that all of the guests had like these fancy blue label bottles delivered into everyone's bedrooms and everything was kept in a very nice fancy manner and towels and all like सुंदर बनाया था एकदम गिफ्ट का PR box की तरह उनका bedroom. So now he was like, yaar, I want you. So he gave him like 20,000 and he was like 20,000 too less. You give me like I think he said 75 each for it. There were 5 people, so he was saying 75 each or something like that. And in my head I was like, okay, these are like very, I don't know what happens in juta chori, but like 5-10 हज़ार ही नहीं है मैंने जिंदगी में भाई मतलब मुझे तो
I know this is like math is not mathing
yeah
man, what the
man
hell
अमीर लोग तो भाई अलग ही level पे they're like roaming and justifying like things in their head. Okay, so now these guys are having a little commotion and the groom was like, yaar, I don't have that much cash on me and the other functions also and stuff is going on. I'll deposit to your account या मैं बाद में दे दूंगा, so फिर मैं दे दूंगा, not a big deal. And these guys are like well to do and stuff. Now that guy, the groom the bride's brother basically got a little angsty and he was like, नहीं आप अभी दो हम नहीं जा रहे, this and that, थोड़ा commotion हो गया and और 4 cousins में 5 लोग against the groom थोड़ा हो गया, तो groom के दोस्त बाहर आके like bro what is happening this and that and it's okay दे देंगे, you relax and stuff, we'll transfer the funds to you, we'll only transfer the funds to you, stop harassing the groom, they have done the fairas and then there's certain other things that have to be done between the bride and groom, go. The bride comes out now. And instead of trying to diffuse the situation, this girl was like, what sort of a cheap behavior is this? Insert guy's name. I cannot believe you're behaving like this. And she was like, I'm not going to go for, I don't know, reception था या क्या अलग, उसके बाद अलग जो उनका event होना था, she like, मैं वहाँ बैठ ही नहीं रही.
हाँ
I think फेरे होते हैं ना जूता चोरी के टाइम पे.
नहीं बट जूता चोरी फेरों के बाद होता है ना usually because that's when you remove your shoes
हाँ, so then giving के बाद क्या होता है? Like जूता चोरी
now you're married
पता नहीं
what?
कुछ
Too
तो
late.
सीन था
हाँ.
कुछ तो सीन था I don't remember
हाँ.
exactly. तो she was like I'm not coming, I'm not sitting over there for that function.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
अच्छा then you just sit in the sofa after that and just look pretty
Oh
and,
yeah. So she's like I'm not going to sit over there, I refuse to do it, you don't be this cheap, you pay up. And I for a second was like, why is this entire conversation happening that the bride side pay for the entire wedding and the reception and everything like that, that she's feeling okay, this boy is not paying a single penny or what's happening. Now while this is happening and I'm like 3 doors down with my garam chai ki pyali, okay,
Nice.
sipping on that, yeah, I'm like cheers. So now the groom's father comes and then this girl is like, aap beech mein mat pado, ठीक है. She says that to the father-in-law that please stay out of this, he's being cheap, I'm going to handle it and I'm not sitting, and he's really trying to calm down the situation that beta it's okay, this and that. Somehow he put a grip on the whole situation and this fight got very ugly, mind you. Like
Holy
very,
shit.
very ugly.
Huh.
And I was like, this was supposed to be like a fun banter tradition, man. Like the fact that you're getting any amount is great, okay? Like, I mean, it's insane. Chalo, theek hai. Cut to me trying to get the real tea inside Goss. Ki, did she pay for everything? Why was she behaving like that? And some maybe it's justified that she's feeling he's being actually cheap, okay? If she's spending like a crore or so. Because the Indian wedding industry is very expensive. No, they split everything 50-50. Everything was split equally.
Then why is she having a
I
pitchy fit?
don't understand what was her issue. Then we found out that she was having an issue that during the wedding, the guy was spending time partying with the guy friends and not spending time talking to her or something. So she was upset because of that. So she partook in the fight.
Oh my god, that exactly. This is why कभी अंदर resentment नहीं
नहीं रख-
पनपनी चाहिए, मतलब सिर्फ पलना नहीं चाहिए. This is, if anything, this is a
This is yeah.
This is क्या बोलते उसको evidence.
Evidence
Literal
of-
for that.
But bro,
Hmm.
on a very, very serious note, you're spending so much money. You want this to be a special, memorable day, right? Happy day.
Yeah.
And तुमने झगड़ा कर दिया. इतना सारा झगड़ा कर. It's like because you're going to remember this in the back of your head when you're going to see the photos. You're going to be like, oh, you were a little bitch. You said this to my dad. You were a little bitch. You said this to my brother.
Oh man.
That's the memory they're taking back.
Oh, I have a friend who has bad memories from her wedding who did
Oh,
that. So, see, this is still like, bitchy towards like family or would
Yeah,
be
yeah.
family, right? So, I have a friend who at her wedding was bitchy towards her friends. And for no fault of theirs. Like they were literally helping her throughout the wedding.
Yeah.
But why am I being bridezilla? Because I was not being helped enough.
Oh.
बिकॉज उसने वो ब्राइड्समेड वाला मेड वाला जो टैग था ना वो बहुत सीरियसली ले लिया था.
Actually, सफाई कर्मचारी हो तुम.
And you know, like we were witnessing that and we were like, oh my god, thank god हम इसके like close friends नहीं है.
Oh, God.
Because I could literally see them like while she's taking her feras, they were like they had made a circle around the mandap and literally like jharuing her lehenga with every like step she's taking. She expected them to do that. They're doing all of this. ऐसा नहीं कि वो नहीं कर रहे हैं.
2.5 फेरा तो आई थिंक
Yeah.
ब्राइड्समेड ने भी ले लिया
हाँ,
लौंडे के
yeah,
साथ.
for sure. He has had many half brides.
Yeah,
For sure.
हाँ.
And imagine, okay, like when you go for a friend's wedding, you yourself deck up, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You wear the best of the clothes that you have. Imagine wearing like, all this finery and doing this Nokrani wala kaam. Okay, Chag. And then the bride apparently launched at these women because you were not there at all times. That you were slipping out bar to have drinks in the karo bar. That how could you do this? You were supposed to be with me at all times.
Wow.
ये तो मतलब bridezilla for sure. Like
Oh, God.
literally.
I don't know, man. Some
Hmm.
brides they just become bridezillas. I don't know. It's the air, there's a stress, or it's just them.
I don't know. I was like खुशी का मौका है यार.
Yeah.
मतलब this is isn't it supposed to be happiest day of your life and
Yeah.
all that, right? मतलब मैं तो बहुत खुश थी wedding में. मैं तो मतलब I think I have like that was my the favorite wedding that I've ever been to. Is my one.
That's just a big nice testament for you.
Yeah, because I was very happy. I was dancing the whole time. I was very happy, high, happy, drunk the whole ass time. There's nothing about my wedding that I would change. Like nothing. Literally, yeah.
Guys, I
Yeah.
think on that good note,
Yeah,
we will
so-
close this podcast now. And I really want to know what is your most Kaleshi wedding story that you've had. Like, whose wedding you attended? You're like, oh my god, the tea, the gauze is hot.
Like I'm sad to be here, but I'm also very happy to be here. That
Yeah.
kind of wedding.
It's so cringy. You just can't look
Yeah,
away.
it's a car crash. It's
Yeah.
like the shows that you like to watch.
My shows are the
Yeah,
best.
and yeah, if you want to check out that episode.
Yeah. We recommended some really nice Kaleshi shows. You must watch
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, if you enjoy wedding season as much as I'm being made to right now by her, then please give us a like and please share this with your friends and for some awesome shadi goss that
Yeah.
we had in this episode,
Yes.
this exclusive episode.
So let us know if you want us to talk about anything else, and do come back next week for some more Galgappa.
And for your shadi ka shagun, please give us a subscribe and bell icon plus
घंटी
thanks.
बजाओ.
Plus thanks, okay.